Then we have the sampling the plan. And if we go down, he has also set the target audience of the population, then sampling criteria, sample size. He has taken almost 500 people. Then survey instrument, the instrument that he used in the pilot study, validity, and all those things has been mentioned. Then methodology used to categorize the respondents. Hypothesis. We have already learned testing of hypothesis. So here he has given the various hypotheses. It's not 1 to 3. That is, he is having a lot of hypotheses. All the null hypothesis is being stated here. Yeah. These are the various hypotheses and the statistical tests that is being used for analysis. All has been mentioned in this chapter. That was the introduction chapter and the research methodology part. Now we have the data analysis and interpretation part. Now if you go down, you can see the various tables and graphs showing the analysis and interpretation of data. Now here you can see the table and the figure. Okay. Now this is the title for the figure. Okay. Figure number and the title. And same way for everything. If there is anything to be mentioned or if there is anything regarding the title, then we can give it as footnote. So these you have learned. This is the data analysis part. Then module 5, that is the finding, suggestion, conclusion, the next chapter. So all the main findings have been listed out, and based on the findings you will give his inferences, and these are all the findings, his findings. Okay, see, you can see here there is a note given, prepared after chi-square and all these things. These are notes. Moving down, the implication of the study is given, and then limitations of the study is given, and scope for further research. All these things have been given in the next chapter. And you can see the bibliography part here. Okay. Then sorry, there seems to have some network issues. And so we will have the bibliography part wherein we will be mentioning all the references and things. Then in the annexure part we will be having the questionnaire and things like that. And finally recommendations will be there in a research thesis. Thank you. Okay, so here we have the bibliography part. We have given the list of all the articles and books and everything that he has referred to prepare this thesis. Is given here. You can see it. Then the annexure. That is the questionnaire that he has used for academic purpose. Okay, the questionnaire he has used is given in annexure. And finally the recommendations. That's it.